when you say hi. You treat him mean to keep him keen, but boy, I'm running out of steam. I need to fill up my own cup from this empty pot I'm keeping up. Or do I want it? Yes, I want it. Am I good enough to want it? Am I good enough? Crying in the car, waiting at the traffic lights. At home it seems so far. Tears are rolling down your cheeks and you think, oh God, what does the person next to me think? What do they think? Bottle up this ride, shove it right down. It hurts, swallow the lump in your throat. Keeping boss at bay, do they really hear the words they say? I'm such a sucker anyway, work harder, make it go away. It doesn't make it better, by the way. Crying in the car, waiting at the traffic lights. At home it seems so far. Tears are rolling down your cheeks and you think, oh God, what does the person next to me think? What do they think? What do they think? Truth is, they're not looking at you. They got their own that's no excuse. Not the whole world revolves around you. Oh, here we go again with those self-obsessing feelings. With those self-obsessing feelings. Crying in the car, crying in the car. Well done, honey, you made it home again. 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 Again, 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 again. I know I've made it home, but I still feel scared. I've got a need to please people. I fear I'll only please you when I'm dead. You feed my soul, I'll swallow it whole. Then you just spit it back at me. And I'll cry and cry and cry and cry. And I'll cry and cry in the car until I stop working. Stop caring, stop working, stop feeling, stop hurting, stop dreaming, stop making, stop feeling my ground shaking. So I'm crying in the car again. Sit in the mess I'm in. And it's hard, I can't pretend. that I don't want this to end. Again and again, again.